Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of unlocking financial freedom and having the ability to make money on your terms? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll show you how to make money online and take control of your financial future. The first step to making money online is finding your passion or a skill that you can monetize. It could be anything from graphic design to writing or even teaching. Find something you love and are good at, because when you enjoy what you do, success will follow. Next, it's time to build your online presence. Create a professional website or portfolio that showcases your skills and attracts potential clients. Use social media platforms to promote your work and reach a wider audience. This will help establish your credibility and increase your chances of making money online. Once you have your online presence set up, start networking and reaching out to potential clients. Connect with other professionals in your industry, attend webinars or industry events, and join online communities to expand your network. The more connections you make, the more opportunities will come your way. Now, let's talk about different ways you can make money online. One popular option is freelancing. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, where you can find clients looking for your specific skills. Another option is creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or stock photography. This allows you to generate passive income even while you sleep. Another way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. You can partner with companies and promote their products or services on your website or social media channels. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win for both you and the company. Lastly, consider starting your own online business. Whether it's an e-commerce store selling handmade products or a blog that generates income through ads and sponsored content, the possibilities are endless. Just remember, building a successful online business takes time and effort, but the rewards can be life-changing. In conclusion, making money online is a tangible goal that anyone can achieve with the right mindset and determination. Find your passion, build your online presence, network, and explore different avenues to monetize your skills. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. It's time to unlock it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks on how to make money online.